Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, and today I'm going to answer a question that I get asked all the time. What is authentic on a PSA graded card, and how do you get them to put authentic on your label rather than a numeric grade? So first of all, what is authentic and why would you want it? Basically, authentic just means that it's a real card. It's not fake, it's not altered, it's not manipulated, there's nothing weird with it. It's just a regular authentic card. I've heard tons of people say, oh, that's fake, it's not a real thing that they even put on the label, but none of that is true. Authentic just means it's a normal card, a real card that doesn't have a numeric grade. You may see some old PSA slabs that say authentic altered, and that basically means it's an altered card. Like it might have been glued, or they might have used a marker on the back to like color in white spots or something like that. But I don't think PSA will even put an altered card in a case anymore. So nowadays, if you see authentic on a recent cert, aka certification number, it just means it's a normal card without a number grade. So why would you want this? Why do people get authentic on their cards? Some people don't care about number grades. Like they don't care if it says 1 or 5 or 10. Like they just want to collect the card, and they don't want to hear people say, oh, that card sucks, it's a PSA 1 or a PSA 8. Reality is, a first edition Charizard, PSA 1 or PSA 10, it's the same card. So some people just don't care. They don't care about the number grades. They might think PSA is inaccurate even grading the number grades, which I personally believe as well. I think there's a lot of error in what they do. So sometimes I just opt to get authentic because the grade doesn't matter to me. I just want to collect the card. So now that we have that out of the way, what is authentic and why people get it, let's get into how do you get them to put authentic on your label rather than a number grade. So when you submit to PSA, you're gonna make an account, you're gonna start your submission. We'll just go through a regular submission real quick. Regular trading card, next. Grading, you want the no autograph authentication, next. Select your submission level. Economy is fine for this example, next. I'm gonna put in the card, so I'll just put like $19.99 first edition Charizard, $1,000, save. $9.99 then, save. So there's my card. Now we want to put in the submission notes, please label as authentic rather than number grade. Then just go through your submission as you normally would. Then there's going to be one other step that I do. Basically, you want to take your prepared card, you want to have your card in the penny sleeve, in the card saver, and then just additionally put a sticky note on it that says label as authentic rather than a number grade, the same exact line. So then they're either going to see that in the submission notes or on your sticky note, and they should be able to handle it from there. It's worked for me every time that I've done a submission that way. That's all the info you need to know about authentic PSA cards. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, check out the next video on the end screen. If you guys enjoyed this video, you'll probably like that one too. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.